Has your AT&T fiber service suddenly stopped working, leaving you without internet access? Whether web pages refuse to load or your devices can't connect, outages and connection issues can happen for several reasons, including temporary network interruptions or equipment glitches. Fortunately, many AT&T fiber problems can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In many situations, an AT&T fiber not working issue can be fixed without replacing any equipment or making complicated changes. Before assuming there's a major outage or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore your connection. 1. Check that the AT&T gateway and all cables are securely connected and receiving power. 2. Restart the modem or gateway by unplugging it and waiting a few moments before turning it back on. 3. Verify that other devices are experiencing the same issue to rule out a single device problem. 4. Observe the indicator lights on the gateway and make sure they show a normal connection status. 5. Reconnect your devices to the network and confirm that internet access has been restored.